Which storage is used for storage of potato? Rustic storage. Rustic storage is used for storage of potato. Which storage is used to store suntala or citrus fruit? Cellar storage. Cellar storage is used to store suntala or citrus fruit. Prime Minister Agriculture Modernization Project is funded by Government of Nepal. Prime Minister Agriculture Modernization Project is funded by Government of Nepal. What is the percentage of greenhouse produced by Nepal in the world? 0.025. 0.025 is the percentage of greenhouse produced by Nepal in the world. Tikka disease is related to groundnut. Tikka disease is related to groundnut. Fusarium wilt of banana is also known as Panama wilt. Fusarium wilt of banana is also known as Panama wilt. Bacterial wilt of banana is also known as Moko disease. Bacterial wilt of banana is also known as Moko disease. What is the percentage of zinc in zinc oxide? 78%. The percentage of zinc in zinc oxide is 78%. What is the optimum pH for rice cultivation? 5 to 6.5, or if there is option 4 to 6, then we have to tick on 4 to 6. What is the fruit of rice called? Cryopsis. Fruit of rice is called cryopsis. What is the temperature requirement of rice cultivation? 21 to 37 degree Celsius. 21 to 37 degree Celsius is the temperature requirement for rice cultivation. What is the test weight of rice? 25 gram. 25 gram is the test weight of rice. What is the planting distance in case of rice? 20 centimeter into 15 centimeter. 20 centimeter row to row, 15 centimeter plant to plant. The seed treatment in rice is done by carbendazim 2.5 gram per kg. It should be done 5 to 7 days before sowing of rice. The seed treatment is done by carbendazim 2.5 gram per kg. It should be done 5 to 7 days before sowing of rice. What is the seed rate for rice cultivation or paddy cultivation? If it is broadcasted, if the nursery is prepared by using broadcasted method, then 100 kg per hectare is suitable for rice cultivation. If it is hybrid seed, then 15 kg per hectare is suitable for rice cultivation. Then if it is done by Dapok method, then 1.5 to 3 kg per meter square. Broadcasting method 100 kg per hectare, hybrid seed 15 kg per hectare, Dapok method 1.5 to 3 kg per meter square. What is the nitrogen use efficiency of rice? Nitrogen use efficiency of rice is 30 to 40%. Which year is known as swell year? 2015 AD. 2015 AD is the year which is celebrated as International Swell Year. What is the isolation distance for maize seed production? Foundation seed 300 meter. 300 meter is the isolation distance for the production of maize seed in case of foundation seed. What is the waiting period of atrazine herbicide? 60 days. 60 days is the waiting period of atrazine herbicide. Who is known as father of weed? Jethro Tull. Jethro Tull is known as father of weed. Silver revolution is related to poultry and egg. Silver revolution is related to poultry and egg. Viticulture is related with grapes. Viticulture is related with grapes. Which is the first hybrid variety of maize in Nepal? Gaurav. Gaurav is the first hybrid variety of maize in Nepal. What is the total organic matter content in the soil? 5%. 5% is the total organic matter content in the soil. 45% inorganic matter, 25% water, 25% air. What is the best time for pruning of tea? Mangsir to Magh. Mangsir to Magh is the best time for pruning of tea. What is the optimum temperature for cultivation of coffee? 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Optimum temperature for cultivation of coffee is 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Chromosome number in onion. Chromosome number in onion is 8. Which tag 16 to 16 हुन्छ है. क्रोमोजोम नम्बर इन ओनियन इज 16 हुन्छ. Which tag is used in improve seed? Yellow. Yellow tag is used in improve seed. When did Green Revolution initiated? In 1960-80. Green Revolution initiated in 1960-80. कृषि विकासको लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण ग्रामीण पूर्वाधार कुन हो? कृषि सडक, विशेष प्रविधि, कृषि औजार, कुनै पनि होइन. कृषि सडक. कृषि विकासको लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण ग्रामीण पूर्वाधार तलका मध्ये कृषि सडक हो. बिउ बिजन, मलखात, सूक्ष्म तत्त्व, विषादी, रसायन तथा औषधि कसले आपूर्ति गर्छ? स्थानीय तह. बिउ बिजन, मलखात, सूक्ष्म तत्त्व, विषादी, रसायन तथा औषधि कसले आपूर्ति गर्छ? स्थानीय तह. किवीको 8 देखि 10 पोथी बराबर कतिवटा भाले लगाउन सिफारिस गरिन्छ? 1. किवीमा 8 देखि 10 पोथी बराबर 1 वटा भाले लगाउन सिफारिस गरिन्छ. धान बालीको जीवन अवधिभर जम्मा कतिवटा पातहरू हुने गर्दछन्? 14 वटा. धान बालीको जीवन अवधिभर जम्मा 14 वटा पात हुने गर्दछन्. धान बालीको जीवन अवधिभरमा कति दिनमा एउटा पात पलाउँछ? प्रत्येक 7 दिनमा. प्रत्येक 7 दिनमा एउटा पात पलाउने गर्दछ धान बालीमा. हरित गृह प्रभावमा असर पर्ने गरी पानी जमिरहने धान खेतीबाट कुन ग्यास निस्कन्छ? मिथेन ग्यास है. धान खेतीबाट मिथेन ग्यास निस्किन्छ. धानको बिउ उम्रन माटोको तापक्रम कति डिग्री सेल्सियस हुनुपर्दछ? 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस. धानको बिउ उम्रनको लागि माटोको तापक्रम 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस हुनुपर्दछ. चैते धान बेर्ना कति दिनसम्म रोप्दा राम्रो मानिन्छ? चैते धानको बेर्ना 20 देखि 26 दिनसम्म. चैते धानको बेर्ना 20 देखि 26 दिनसम्म रोप्दाका लागि उपयुक्त मानिन्छ. छिटो पाक्ने धानको लागि कति हप्ताको बेर्ना उपयुक्त मानिन्छ? 3 देखि 4 हप्ता. छिटो पाक्ने धानको लागि 3 देखि 4 हप्ताको बेर्ना उपयुक्त मानिन्छ. चैते धान बेर्ना कति दिनसम्म रोप्दा राम्रो मानिन्छ? माथि नै आइसक्यो. 20 देखि 26 दिनसम्म. ढिलो पाक्ने धानको लागि कति हप्ताको बेर्ना उपयुक्त हुन्छ? 4 देखि 5 हप्ता. 4 देखि 5 हप्ता. छिटो पाक्नेको लागि 3 देखि 4 हप्ता र ढिलो पाक्नेको लागि 4 देखि 5 हप्ता. चैते धानको लागि प्रति हेक्टर प्रति सेकेन्ड कति पानी आवश्यकता पर्दछ? 1.95 लिटर. चैते धानको लागि प्रति हेक्टर प्रति सेकेन्ड 1.95 लिटर वाटर आवश्यक पर्दछ. बर्खे धानका लागि सरदर प्रति सेकेन्ड पानीको कति आवश्यकता पर्दछ? 1.75. बर्खे धानको लागि सरदर प्रति सेकेन्ड 1.75 लिटर पानी आवश्यक पर्दछ. एसआरआई विधिमा बेर्ना रोप्दा एक ठाउँमा कतिवटा बेर्ना रोप्नु पर्दछ? एउटा मात्र. सिस्टम अफ राइस इन्टेन्सिफिकेसन विधिबाट बेर्ना रोप्दाखेरि एउटा मात्र बेर्ना रोप्नु पर्दछ. धान फुल्ने बेलामा गबारो लाग्यो भने सधैँबालीको ठाउँमा सुकेको सेतो बाला निस्किन्छ. त्यस्तो सेतो बालालाई अङ्ग्रेजीमा के भनिन्छ? व्हाइट हेड है. व्हाइट हेड. धान फुल्ने बेलामा गबारो लाग्यो भने सधैँबालीको ठाउँमा सुकेको सेतो बाला निस्किन्छ. त्यस्तो बालालाई अङ्ग्रेजीमा के भनिन्छ? व्हाइट हेड. नेपालमा खैरो फड्के किराको आक्रमण सर्वप्रथम कति सालतिर चितवनको कठार क्षेत्रमा देखा परेको थियो? 2036-37 तिर, जुन बेला नेपालमा जनमत संग्रह भएको थियो त्यसबेला नेपालको चितवन जिल्लाको कठार क्षेत्रमा खैरो फड्के किराले धानबालीमा आक्रमण गरेको थियो। What is the order of butterfly? Lepidoptera. Order of butterfly is Lepidoptera. What is the contribution of cooperatives in national GDP? 4%. The contribution of cooperatives in national GDP is 4%. Number of cubic plant for ropening of land. What is the total number of cubic plant for ropening of land? 20. The total number of cubic plant for ropening of land is 20. Which of the following crops have maximum number of hybrid variety? Cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, potato. Among this crop, cabbage have maximum number of hybrid variety. एडिएसमा गहुँबाली कतिौं प्राथमिकतामा परेको छ? 10औं नम्बरमा। एडिएसमा गहुँबाली 10औं नम्बरमा परेको छ। Which of the following content oleracin? Ginger, turmeric, cardamom, cabbage. Ginger. Which of the following content oleracin? Ginger. Which species of earthworm is commonly used to make vermicompost? Aicina foetida. Aicina foetida is used to make vermicompost. Propagation in dragon fruit is done by cutting. Propagation in dragon fruit is done by cutting. Bitter peat in apple is due to calcium deficiency. Bitter peat in apple is due to calcium deficiency. Lucknow 49 is the variety of guava. Lucknow 49 is the variety of guava. Which variety of apple is less affected by woolly aphid? Golden delicious. Golden delicious is the variety of apple which is less affected by woolly aphid. Tiger beetle is the natural predator of bug. B-U-G. Tiger beetle is the natural predator of B-U-G, bug. Imactin benzoate is the famous insecticide of fall armyworm. Fall armyworm. Imactin benzoate is the famous insecticide or pesticide of fall armyworm. Red rust in tea is caused by algae. Red rust in tea is caused by algae. Propping is related with banana. Propping is related with banana. Vegetative propagation done in banana is done by source sucker. Vegetative propagation in banana is commonly done by source sucker. Pegging is related with groundnut. Pegging is related with groundnut. Which species of bee is rare in hilly region? Apis cerana. Apis cerana is the species of bee which is rare in hilly region. Which species of bee is rare in Terai region? Apis mellifera. Apis mellifera is the species of bee which is rare in Terai region. So as Apis cerana is rare in hilly region. What is the waiting period of Thiaram? 14 to 20 days. Waiting period of Thiaram is 14 to 20 days. Pink revolution is related to onion and prawn. Pink revolution is related to onion and prawn. Headquarter of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, is located in Italy, Rome. Bija is the famous variety of wheat. Vijay is the famous variety of wheat. Giant Q is the famous variety of pineapple. Giant Q is the famous variety of pineapple. Broadex mixture is developed by Millard. Dear friend, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it for more videos.